All right, it's day one of our Week to Wicked build. This time we're building an 85 C10, and with me today is Mike Ruth from Heidts Suspension Components. Mike, we got a bunch of suspension stuff. What do we have?
Well, first, thanks for having us here.
Absolutely.
And, always fun being in the 10 Tech Center. So we're going to redo this whole suspension today. We're going to put a 9-inch Ford rear end. We're going to put our brand new designed 4-link system. It's the largest diameter tubing 4-link system
That's this
on
guy
the
right
planet.
here.
That's these right here, real beefy. It comes complete with our coilover shocks. We build them in-house. We're probably the only manufacturer that has an in-house shock program with a dyno. We're going to change all the front suspension around as well. We're going to put our beefy control arms in, power rack, and our new design front cross member.
Now, talking about that front cross member, that's a bolt-in unit just like the stock C10 stuff was, right?
Completely bolt-in. Yeah,
Okay.
It's made out of 7-gauge steel. We didn't take a street rod setup and switch it over to a truck. We designed it with a clean sheet of paper. It's the most heavy-duty front suspension you can buy for one of these trucks.
Okay, and it looks like I see a motor mount that's ready to rock. That's a LS-based motor mount that just bolts right into the same set of holes.
You can get these for LS motors, small block, conventional small block, or big block Chevys.
Great, great. I know Christian's busy. He was snapping out a couple of those rivets. It looks like we're almost ready to rock. We'll just bolt this thing in. There's a couple holes to drill, it sounds like. And
you have to do some drilling. Yeah, you have to do a slight amount of grinding on the frame, but it's really set it up for the do-it-yourself guy. You don't need
no welding, no fabrication, nothing like that.
No, very little fabrication, just a little bit of grinding and drilling. You can do this in your garage floor easily. Anybody can.
Okay.
We try to take all the hard stuff out and make it as easy as possible for the do-it-yourselfer. It
Sure.
comes with all the hardware. It's all CAD-plated hardware. We leave nothing to you. Everything just gets bolted in.
Yeah. And now this is using, like you said, it's using a 4-link, but we have a panhard rod going on the back of this, right, to keep everything centered?
Yep, it's a multi-adjustable panhard bar. It's made out of the same material as the 4-link.
This is the cross member going up behind it.
Yep, 1 3/4 diameter with a 1-inch rod end. It's the largest in the industry. Again, it's completely bolt-in. You can raise or lower the ride height if you want with this system. And also the panhard bar has some adjustment. If you do raise and lower it, you'll be able to adjust that as well.
All kinds of tuning capabilities.
Yep.
Well, cool. Well, now that we've gone over all the components, what do you say we roll this stuff under the truck
Let's get
and
it going? Yeah.
All right.
In and out's right around the corner.
That's right.